One of the biggest ways we interact with nature and with the planet is through the food that we eat. How we grow our food, how we create our food matters. Some of the benefits that managed grazing has for rangelands in California include maintaining habitat for birds and other wildlife, increasing native plant diversity, capturing carbon from the atmosphere and storing it in plants and soils, and providing livelihoods for rural communities.
The health of these rangeland ecosystems depend upon the animals that live here. We no longer have the vast herds of bison and elk and all the other ungulates, the herding animals that occurred in California and that shaped these amazing ecosystems. It's not at our discretion that livestock operations occur here. It is fundamental to our long-term health. You know, the difference between me and my grandfather, who preceded me, is not ethics. It's information. It's incumbent upon me to use the information we have to get better and better effects.